This is 3 o'clock a.m. and they walking upstairs all night. Floor is squeaking. And this humming noise, I can't get sleep because this noise. My wife tried to turn on some music so we can get sleep. I can't sleep because the humming noise. It's just too much noise. Do they live in right in the middle of the night? They don't sleep. You can hear them talking.